Stop. Before you grab that chemical-loaded spray bottle and start scrubbing floors on your hands and knees, let me ask you something. What if you could sanitize your entire home using nothing but tap water? These aren't your grandma's clunky steam cleaners. We're talking rotating scrub pads that work while you walk, superheated steam that kills 99.9% of bacteria, and designs so smart they make mopping actually bearable. Whether you're dealing with dry juice stains, muddy paw prints, or that mysterious sticky spot in your kitchen, there's a steam mop on this list for your specific nightmare. I've analyzed lab tests, dissected verified user reviews, and compared technical specs to bring you the definitive guide to the 6 best steam mops for 2026. We're counting down from number 6 to our top pick. By the way, all product links are in the description below. At number 6, the O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop proves budget doesn't mean bad. You're getting a 1,550-watt heating element that reaches sanitization temperature in 20 seconds, faster than your coffee brews. The 400-milliliter tank gives you 10 to 20 minutes of steam, perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. The triangle swivel head gets into corners easily, and at 5 pounds, your arm won't fall off mid-clean. Microfiber pads are machine washable 25 times, and replacements cost just $9 for 2. The adjustable steam dial lets you go low for hardwood or full blast for grimy tile. Who is this for? First-time steam mop buyers, small homes, anyone testing the waters before spending big. Pros: budget-friendly, $50 to $70, 20-second heat-up, triangle head design, includes carpet glider, lightweight 20-foot cord. Cons: non-transparent tank, Velcro pads catch on textured floors, struggles with deep grout, no extra attachments, less sturdy than premium models. But number 5, Black+Decker 7-in-1. With Steam Glove, number 5 brings something unique, a wearable steaming mitt that lets you clean with the control of your bare hand. This mop converts from upright to handheld with one button. The Steam Glove lets you wipe down stainless steel fridges or scrub shower grout while feeling what you're cleaning. It's weirdly satisfying to have that kind of tactile control while steam does the heavy lifting. Smart Select variable steam control adjusts output automatically, and continuous steam flow means no trigger fatigue during those marathon cleaning sessions. You get a full accessory kit: grout brush, copper brush for burnt-on messes, plastic brush, adjustable nozzle, fabric steamer, and that innovative Steam Glove with pads. 20-second heat-up and a 20-foot cord complete the package. Who is this for? People wanting one tool for floors and everything else, lots of vertical surfaces, or multitaskers who hate switching tools. Pros: unique Steam Glove, convertible design, variable steam control, 20-second heat-up, continuous steam, lightweight, kills 99% of germs. Cons: accessories feel cheaper than main unit, hose adds bulk, less powerful on floors than specialized models, durability concerns with heavy use. Number 4, PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. At number 4, the PurSteam 10-in-1 is the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. 10 accessories in the box: brushes, angled nozzle, scrape tool, steamer jet, window squeegee, garment steamer, carpet glider, and 2 mop pads. The detachable handheld unit tackles floors, couches, curtains, or car interiors. The brilliant foldable handle design means no disassembly for storage, just fold it back and slide it into your closet. 30-second heat-up gets you cleaning fast, and the unit vibrates when refills are needed. ECNN's testing team recently praised this model for its storage-friendly design and fast attachment swapping. When you're bouncing between cleaning tasks, those seconds you save actually add up. Who is this for? Maximum versatility seekers, apartment dwellers needing compact storage, people replacing multiple cleaning tools. Pros: 10 accessories included, foldable storage design, 30-second heat-up, very lightweight, 5.2 pounds, detachable handheld, affordable, approximately $80. Or cons: smaller tank needs frequent refills, inconsistent floor contact on heavy debris, exposed plastic can scratch sensitive floors, some long-term durability concerns. Number 3, Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Number 3 shifts into professional territory. The Dupray Neat is a heavy-duty beast. This white cube on wheels houses a massive 54-ounce water tank, 3 to 5 times larger than competitors. That means 50 minutes of continuous cleaning. I clean your entire house in one go. Steam hits 275 degrees Fahrenheit, way hotter than most mops, maxing at 200 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and pathogens faster. The cube rolls behind you on wheels while a 6.5-foot hose connects to 17 professional accessories. Floor tool with 3 pads, extension tubes, triangular tool, brass brush, 5 nylon brushes, window squeegee, steam lance, and more. At 50 pounds per square inch and 1500 watts, there's no adjustable control. It's full power or off. None but that consistent high-powered output means you just point and clean. No fiddling with dials mid-task. Who is this for? Large homes, serious cleaners wanting professional results, people cleaning way more than floors. Pros: massive 54-ounce tank, 50 minutes, 275 degrees Fahrenheit steam, 17 professional accessories, wheel design, excellent for grout, steam lock, long-term durability, kills 99.9% of everything. Cons: pricey, approximately $175, 8-minute heat up, no steam adjustment, bulkier than uprights. I'd learning curve, not for quick spot cleaning. Number 2 is the Bissell PowerFresh Slim 3-in-1, engineered for tight spaces. This slim profile slides under low-clearance furniture that stops traditional mops. But it's a true 3-in-1 system. Upright floor mop, extended reach cleaner with wand for shower walls, and detachable handheld for appliances. You get 1,500 watts with a 25-foot cord, the longest in our lineup. 2 steam settings handle different floors. And Consumer Reports rated it excellent for ceramic tile cleaning. 7 accessories include grout tool, flat scraper, bristle brushes, and angle tool, all stored in an onboard tray. Lab testing confirms it kills 99.9% of germs, including coronavirus and influenza strains, making it a smart choice for germ-conscious households. Who is this for? Low-clearance furniture owners, people wanting slim maneuverability without sacrificing power, households cleaning floors and above-floor surfaces. Pros: slim design fits everywhere, 3-in-1 functionality, 7 accessories, 25-foot cord, excellent Consumer Reports ratings, sanitizes 99.9%, including coronavirus, 2 steam settings. Cons: top-heavy design, weak cord management, accessory swapping requires tank removal, smaller tank, distilled water recommended. The #1 steam mop for 2026, Shark Steam, and Scrub with Steam Blaster, S8201. The Steam Blaster gives you fingertip-controlled steam bursts exactly where you need them. Hit stubborn stains with concentrated steam without repeated passes. The real magic: dual rotating scrub pads spinning at 150+ scrubs per minute. You're actively scrubbing while you walk. This combination delivers 2 to 3 times better stuck-on stain removal versus traditional mops, according to independent testing. 3 steam modes, light, normal, deep, match your cleaning needs. Bi-LED headlights automatically illuminate dark corners and under furniture. The 14.5-inch cleaning path is wider than most competitors, fewer passes needed. The removable water tank makes refilling convenient, and the 1,120-watt element heats up in under a minute. Consumer Reports confirms this performs at the top of its class. Users consistently report the automatic scrubbing feels almost effortless. Who is this for? Anyone wanting the best floor cleaning performance? These people with kids and pets, households with tile and grout, anyone tired of mops that just move dirt around. Pros: fingertip steam blaster, rotating pads at 150+ scrubs per minute, 3 steam modes, LED headlights, 2 to 3 times better stain removal, lab tested, removable tank, sanitizes 99.9%, wide 14.5-inch path. Cons: higher price point, heavier due to rotating mechanism, cord could be longer, pads need occasional maintenance. 3 specs that actually matter. Steam temperature: higher temp kills more bacteria and loosens tougher stains. Look for 200 degrees Fahrenheit minimum. The Dupray's 275 degrees Fahrenheit leads, but Shark and Bissell both sanitize effectively. Don't fall for steam marketing alone. Temperature is what actually kills germs and breaks down grime. Heat up time: under 1 minute is ideal for spontaneous cleaning. Black+Decker and O-Cedar hit 20 seconds, Shark and Bissell under a minute. Dupray takes 8 minutes with its massive tank. If you clean entire houses at once, longer heat up is fine. Quick spills? Go fast. Tank capacity: small tanks, 350 to 400 milliliters, give 10 to 20 minutes. Mid-size gets 15 to 25 minutes. Dupray's 1,600 milliliters gives 50 minutes. Match this to your home size. Nothing's worse than refilling 3 times for one cleaning session. Think about surfaces beyond floors. Need counters, appliances, showers? Get Bissell or Black+Decker with handheld modes. Need professional power? Choose Dupray. Here's the bottom line. O-Cedar for tight budgets, Black+Decker for versatile cleaning, PurSteam for storage convenience, Dupray for professional power, and Bissell for maneuverability. Our number 1 pick is the Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster because it delivers lab-tested performance with rotating pads and fingertip steam control. It's the smartest combination of technology and practicality. All product links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. Now go make those floors sparkle.